So as an example of how you could use this in training or manufacturing, let me pull up this forklift model that we've been using internally.
All right, let's pause for context. Here's what's happening in this video. Mike is actually wearing one of these virtual reality headsets. And in that virtual world, he can turn around and manipulate this 3D object, the forklift. Meanwhile, at the very same time, as I look through my phone, it appears that both Mike, or an avatar of Mike, and this forklift are sitting right there on my desk. And Mike is able to communicate with me and tell me all about the forklift and turn it around so I can see it from different angles. And this is all possible because of XR software built by our immersive app developers at Crosscom. Now let's get back to the video.
As you can see, I can pull up the model and manipulate it. This is great for example, if you wanted to do sort of in a manufacturing context. If there's any issues about the design for the forklift, you could pull the CAD models directly from the company and create these sort of visualizations, and then have people sort of walk around and inspect them, make sure the clearance is right, make sure the mirrors are in the right place, and things like that. In addition to being able to like visualize these models and things like that, we also provide for sort of annotation. So let me pull up real quick one of these markers. And say we want to say like, oh no, actually there's an issue with sort of like the seat, and we need to move it up a little bit, or these mirrors don't provide enough visibility, we need to make sure that they move out to the outside, and things like that. And it allows you to make these sort of spatial annotations. You could do it collaboratively with others. And then importantly, there's like ways to export these as well, so they're consumable outside of VR as well.
With technology like this, a presenter or salesperson or educator can virtually step into the real-world environment of their audience. And they can showcase and educate and demonstrate whatever virtual objects they need in order to make their case. We're really excited about this technology, and we see so many potential use cases for it. What would you do? How would you use technology like this?